بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم توكلت على الحي الذي لا يموت الحمد لله الذي لم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك ولم يكن له ولي من الذل وكبره تكبيرا. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day to everyone. So the next question I received from the student is, currently there is a lot of software companies promote can help students in analyzing and completing literature reviews. What is your opinion? So my opinion, in completing the literature review, actually I did learn this during my PhD. When I started my PhD, even I was not sure about, first of all, I was not sure that there is software actually to arrange the references, the bibliography, and normally if you write master's thesis, maybe you'll have 100 to 50 to 150 references, PhD maybe 200 references. So how we can organize so much of these references, right? If you do this manually, like when I started, I was doing it manually, but after some time, at our universities, we do attend these short courses on how to use software. But what I'm going to tell you is that I've used EndNote software, EndNote, EndNote software. At that time it was the EndNote 7, but now they already have so many updates and advances. So try to find this software. But there are also other software like Medleys, and people are using so many other types, but the one that I'm familiar, I'm going to recommend that to you. So what it does is that when you do the search, let's say 10-15 papers, you can include all these 10-15 papers in just a few clicks into a database in the EndNote software. And then when you do the typing in the Microsoft Word, you can actually call back the references. You can call back the references, the author name, by just opening the database where you save the references through the EndNote software. So there is shortcut keys you need to learn in the Microsoft Word as well, how you can call the EndNote software during you writing up your literature review. For example, you want to cite, I think you type alternate 7, and then the EndNote is going to open. Then you click on the references that you want to cite in the paragraph or in the sentence. Then it's going to put the numbers or author year in the paragraph. At the same time, at the very last page, when you type the references, it's going to put the complete references in at the back of the page. That means you are not doing it manually, but whenever you cite the author, the complete reference is going to appear in the sequence at the very last page. So that's going to be your list of references. So one thing that I want to share is that when I use this software, for example, you write papers or journals or conference papers with a certain format, like for example, author date, author year, right? And then suddenly when you check the format, the journals give you that you should change the numbering, the author date into numbers. So when you have to change in numbers, it's going to take some time if you do it manually. But with EndNote software, you open the file, you click at the references, go to the EndNote software. Instead of author date, you change to numbering. It's going to update the whole what we call 20 pages or 15 pages of your references in just a few seconds, in less than a minute. So just imagine if you have to do it manually, how long does it take you to do? How long will it take you to do this modification. I think it's going to take at least a week. If it is a whole thesis, just guess how much time we're going to spend. So it's a good question actually. Thank you very much for asking this question. And hopefully explore this software, and hopefully you will know the benefit when you start to use the software. I'm not promoting anything here, but you use that software. That's just my opinion. So if you find another software, you can use them as well, as long as you complete your literature review. No big deal, inshallah. So hopefully to see you guys in the next question. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.